All right, Chef Anthony Fisher from Pittsburgh High School Culinary Arts is in Studio K this morning. That's what we like to call our studio kitchen. But I'm in session today. This is Vegetables 101.
Yes, we're going to talk about how to properly buy your vegetables, what's the wisest way to buy your vegetables, and how to save a little bit of money.
Okay.
So everybody's familiar with good old-fashioned canned green beans. But what's wrong with canned green beans?
They're already partially cooked.
They're already fully cooked.
Oh, fully cooked.
They're already fully cooked inside of here. You throw them up, you heat them up. It takes 2 or 3 minutes to heat them up. Not too bad,
No.
especially if you're in a rush. Frozen green beans, uncooked, open to new flavors, and you can hold these for a year inside your refrigerator, inside of your freezer.
I'm guessing these have the best nutrient value too.
Yes, and surprisingly enough, the cream of the crop at harvest goes straight to freeze.
Really?
Because they want that beautiful look, they want the appearance. Same thing goes for fruit. The best strawberries, the best blueberries, all immediately get frozen and then set up to be stored. They last longer, they look beautiful, they're available to you year round. The price difference between all three of these is surprising. We also have fresh green beans, which are really easy to use. Just kind of all depends upon what you like. Downside of the fresh green beans, you're gonna get about a week. So, and with the bad weather and everything going on around everywhere, how do we stock up? Well, canned vegetables like these right here, 68 cents, 80 cents a can. Okay, they take up shelf room in this pantry, not a problem. The fresh green beans, twice as many, or excuse me, the frozen green beans, twice as many, $1.38.
If you have a deep freeze, that doesn't take up much space.
And even in the freezer on top of your fridge, it really doesn't take up that much. You could stack up bags and you're getting twice as many as the cans for just a little bit more.
Okay.
Fresh green beans, $2.58 for 12 ounces of them, and you'll get about a week at them. There's enough servings in both of these to equal 2 cans of green beans. So you're gonna get flavors. But the benefit of the frozen and the fresh is they're uncooked, so you can flavor them however you want. They'll take seasonings however you want. You can steam them, you can saute them, you can boil them, you can do anything your heart can imagine with them. I show the kids how to use all three through the course of the semester because you want to eat healthy. You want something different all the time. And later on today, I'll show you the benefits of using frozen versus green or even fresh.
Now, if you're putting together like a emergency preparedness storm shelter, you're not going to have the luxury of electricity necessarily.
That is true.
That's where you would want to.
Yes,
have something like this.
inside of a storm shelter and preparing for electricity, you do want to have the can because they are fully cooked. You can open the can and start eating them right out of the can.
Don't forget something to open your can with.
Yes. Surprisingly enough, not many people have can openers anymore. They all have the electric can opener. You need to get a good old-fashioned, strong, all-metal twist-top can opener.
I do like my electric can opener, but it's not going to work if you don't have electricity.
Exactly. And yes, with the bad weather coming in and you may lose electricity, but remember, you keep the freezer frozen, you'll last quite a bit of time with the door being shut. You can reach in, grab something real quick and take it out, especially if you know exactly what you have in there.
Right. Less airspace, the better on it. Okay, so we're going to come back during our Fox show and make some yummy pork.
Yes,
you
we
tell
are.
us a little bit about that?
We're going to do a pork cutlet with mashed potatoes, a pan sauce, and green beans. We're going to do a whole plate, beautiful for a day like today.
Yummy. Looking forward to that.
And we're going
for
to use things that you can stock in your pantry to help you maximize space and economics. I figured it up. Today's meal will cost you about $3.
Wow. That's awesome.
So
We'll take that.
we'll save some money.
Thank you for Veggies 101, a little bit of learning here this morning. And again, you can find this later this morning on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com. After we do our other segments, we'll put those on as well. Thank you.
My pleasure.
We'll send you off to the break room and see you soon. We'll be right back.
Inside